Alex here, and today I am going to be doing a 2017 favorites video. I've seen this surfacing around the internet and I thought it was really interesting, and also I kind of wanted to step out of the box with my videos because if you have been on my channel for a while, I usually do hauls and I don't really do favorite videos that much, but I want to start. So I'm going to show you a few products that aren't extraordinary, but if you've never heard of them, then you might really love them if you try them. So that's the goal for this video, to help you guys discover some new things that you might really like. And also I have a lot of cool videos in store coming up after this video, so I can't wait. 2018 is gonna be a new year, new me. I'm hoping to do some giveaways and give you guys a ton of cool videos because I really want to start growing my channel in 2018. Other than that, I think that's all I have to say, so let's just get started. The first thing I'm gonna start off with, I'm actually quite embarrassed to show, but they're just I just wanted to show these Vans. Ew, I don't want to touch them. But pretty much white Vans were like a huge part of my 2018 before they got destroyed. I wore those probably almost every single day of the week. If you saw my Black Friday haul, you'd know that I did get a new pair. I do not go in public in those anymore. Honestly, you can make it into a cute outfit, or if you want to look like a bum and literally wear sweatpants and a t-shirt and throw them on, you look pretty bougie. Like, it's a look, honestly. I have several pairs of shoes from Vans and I really love them, so if you haven't tried them yet, you should definitely try them. I'm sure half of the people watching this probably own a pair, but if not, you really need to pick yourself up a pair. Then moving on to the next product I'm gonna talk about. It's just my Polaroid camera. I actually got this for my birthday last year, and I've used it so much. I really love this because it's really nice to just have a picture printed right then and there, because usually if I take pictures on my phone, every once in a blue moon I'll like go to the store and print them out, but like it's just like not like that nowadays where you just go to the store and print out a ton of pictures unless you like really have to. So I really like that I can just get pictures right there, like physical pictures. Just as proof that I loved my Polaroid camera, these are just some of the Polaroids that I took in 2017. So as you can see, it's a pretty big stack. Usually they range from $60 to $70 depending on where you get it from, but I think it's totally worth it. I love it so much. Moving on to the next thing that's really simple and like just kind of silly, but I just have really enjoyed it in 2017, are head wraps. And this is just one of them. I literally buy like a new one, it seems like, every week. You can get these from Forever 21 for like $3.90 or something, maybe even cheaper than that depending on where you live. But this one's black and white striped. It just has like a little knot at the top, and I have like a collection of these. They're really good if you like don't want to fix your hair one day and you just want to put one in and you look really cute. Or even if you need to wash your face or put on makeup, it's really cute to put in your hair when like you just need to do some little things. So I really have enjoyed these in 2017. Moving on to the next product, it's just this journal. I got it from Target. I'm pretty sure I got this from the dollar section. It says plotting and planning on it. It's really cute. I actually just repurchased a new journal at the start of the year because this one's literally falling apart. Like, that's how much I've used it. But I really just like, not even this journal specifically, but I really recommend, especially for the new year, that everyone just gets a journal, whether you write down your thoughts or how you're feeling, or like you need to plan and or you need to make a list for something. I love doing lists. I don't know if that's just like how my brain likes to see things or something, but I really enjoy like writing things down in here, or like if I need like to figure out like my money situation or whatever, like when I get paid, like I write everything down in here and it's so helpful. And like I said, it's not really this journal specifically, even though it's really cute, but just in general, I think this is a really good idea, like a good thing to have, especially since it's the start of the new year. So go pick one up. Moving on to some beauty products. The first thing I'm gonna show is my Tartelette in Bloom palette. I think I got this of Christmas of 2015, but like literally every day I appreciate it more and more just because I literally use it every day. Hit pan on one of the colors. I think everyone just needs like a simple palette, especially I like how it's small because if I travel I literally just need this palette. It has like 2 or 3 shimmery shades and the rest are matte, and like that you can make so many eye looks of this. I really don't have much more to say about this other than it's an amazing quality palette. I use it every day. Sometimes I like find myself using this too much rather than giving my other palettes some love. So I really recommend this palette. You don't really need any other palettes if you have this one, especially if you're not like a big makeup person. I think this is perfect. Then when I show this product, I'm gonna be so basic, but I don't even care. I really love the Mario Badescu facial spray. It has like aloe, herbs, and rose water, and I love this stuff. I repurchase it like all the time, and there's really not much to say. You've probably seen this around YouTube a million times, but it really is great. Like, I don't know if everyone loves it as much as me, but even if you don't use it as like to help your face, it's just like a good refresher. Oh yeah. This product is really amazing, and just so you know what it is, it says you can mist onto your hair, face, and skin throughout the day as needed, and then it says you can use it to set makeup, soothe your skin, and spray on your skin in dehydrating conditions. So it's really amazing, and it smells really good. It smells like roses. It's like really fresh, and I love it. So you definitely need to pick this product up if you're like interested in stuff like this. I'm pretty sure if you don't want to get the full size, you can get like the travel size, which is like this big, and it's only like $5 or $7. I'm not quite sure, but it's a really good price, so I say pick it up. Moving on to my last beauty product, it's just this Too Faced mascara called the Better Than Sex mascara. I'm sure you've heard of this all around YouTube. I've been rebuying this and repurchasing this for about 1.5 years now, and if you saw my what I got for Christmas, I did get a few of these for Christmas as well. But it's just like a good overall mascara. I'm a huge mascara person, and to be honest, like I really have never seen a difference between drugstore and like higher end, I guess, mascaras, but this one is really nice. I feel like this mascara will never die. Like there's some makeup products on YouTube that kind of like die down and like calm down once the rave is over, but this one is just like a good mascara to have in your little makeup drawer, whatever you have. So I really recommend this if you want to like splurge on yourself a little bit. But like I said earlier, I really do think that drugstore mascaras are just as good if you're not willing to put out the extra money. The last thing that I'm gonna show in my little favorites video are just these little scrunchies, and really you can, ew, there's a hair in this one. Cute. You can really find these anywhere. If I remember correctly, I got this from Claire's. I got mine there, and I got like so many cute packs there. I don't know if they still sell them there, but you can even get these at like Target, or I don't even know, like Forever 21 I'm sure has a few, but I don't know. I really love these. I love how they don't put a dent in your hair, and they also like make your hair look really cute like in a ponytail rather than like a regular ponytail. So I'm really glad these came back in 2017 because your girl loves them. I hope everyone had a great new year, and I hope everyone enjoys 2018. Just make sure you live in every moment and enjoy this year. Make it the best. And if you guys want to see a specific video, just leave video requests down below. I read the comments because I don't get that many, so I'll read any comments that I see down there. I think that's all I have to say, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!